Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Before you today is the venerable H&M Mozilla 400. This boat has had its maiden in a couple of runs, and I never really got it completely dialed in before some other project came and pushed this to the back corner. Well, now I have time to get to all my back corner projects now. And so this would be the first one I worked on. The last time I drove this, I did not have a turn fin on it, and I had some spinning out issues. So it now has a turn fin, and that should help it immeasurably. Remember, this was the boat I built just to try out this drive unit. It seems to work pretty well. The only thing is with this boat and the sloping transom, this block is not the lightest weight thing around. It's Delrin, and it has some holes in it, but it should really be carbon fiber and molded in the first place. But you know what they say about beggars and choosers. So this boat gets dedicated batteries because the batteries, I can buy these 1.3s with a Dean's connector. And most of my stuff I use XT60s or XT30s. And I just didn't want to go soldering a bunch of XT whatevers onto here. And I said, what the heck? So I put a Dean's connector on the speed control, and that'll be dedicated batteries to this boat. It'll be the only boat that I have that uses Dean's connectors. So Dean's connectors it is for this, and adapters for charging. Speaking of connectors, I ordered these batteries. They were on eBay, and I'm thumbing through batteries, and I'm going, oh, look, 25C 2000. That's not bad for the rescue boat. And I was thinking of putting these in the the little shovel nose. Anyhow, they were listed as lipos, but they're actually lithium ions. And I've decided these will be the dedicated batteries for the rescue boat. Now, this was the rescue boat's original harness. Actually, the original harness was set up for these 4mm plugs, and I would just plug the battery direct in. So then I made this harness. Now I have a harness of whatever this little plug is that goes into the 4mm plug in the rescue boat. So these lithium ions will be the permanent rescue boat batteries, and the rescue boat now has a handful of these. These things were cheap. That's why I bought 4 of them. The rescue boat now has a lifetime supply of batteries. It's going to spend more time out in the field. So there you go, boys and girls. A brief update. You get to see this thing run again. I was worried that the motor that I put in here, it's a small little motor, would be adequate, but it seems to move this boat along just fine, so I'm not going to change anything out. We'll leave that little beast in there. There you go. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.